Welcome back to our channel Will You Curry Me. Let's make a super easy recipe for Valentine's this year, chocolate walnut fudge. Heat a pan on low flame and add walnuts. Again, heat a pan on low flame and add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon butter, Now add the roasted walnuts and mix well in this mixture. Once the mixture leaves the sides of the pan, that means it is now ready. Now place a butter paper and pour the mixture on top of it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find someone